walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one. And I walk up, my shadow's only one who walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Am I just stuck? I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. She says it's like a sex that's bringing me down. I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. Choke with my whited cause it's bringing her down. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Grasping to control, so I better hold on. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Am I just you crying loud all the way across town? You've been searching for that someone that is beyond on the crowd. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself, come around. When I come around. When I come around. When I come around. I'm having trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting sheep but running out. As time ticks by, still I try. No rest for cross-tops in my mind. On my own, here we go. Feel like they're gonna bleed right up and bulging out my skull. My mouth is dry, my face is numb, fucked up and spun out in my room. On my own, here we go. Set on overdrive. The clock is laughing in my face. Crooked spine, my senses dulled. That's the point of delirium. On my own, here we go. Feel like they're gonna bleed right up and bulging out my skull. My mouth is dry, face is numb, fucked up and spun out in my room. On my own, here we go.
And we will see how godless a nation we have become.
Já achou que eu tô ligado, tá ligado isso aqui pra quê? Eu sei que tem um de sapatilha aqui, ó. Sapatilha é bom pra escorregar.
Raise your hands out and testify. Your confession will be crucified. Your sacrificial suicide. Like a dog that's been sodomized. Well,
vou te dar a mão aqui, ó. Você pisa nele, tá?